Welcome back. Today we are diving into Feng Shui and how to use crystals to enhance the energy in your home. Did you know that crystals aren't just beautiful decorations? If placed correctly, they can actually improve the Feng Shui of your space, bringing harmony, health, and even prosperity. From the entryway to the living room, every area in your home has a unique energy, and by choosing the right crystals, you can balance and boost that energy. So let's get started and explore which crystal is best for each space. Let's start at the entryway, an essential spot in Feng Shui, often called the mouth of Qi, where energy flows into the home. Placing a piece of Black Obsidian here works wonders. Known for its protective qualities, Black Obsidian absorbs negative energy and keeps unwanted energy from entering your space. This crystal will create a grounded, safe atmosphere right as you step inside. The living room is the heart of family activity, and it's essential to keep the energy clear and positive. Clear quartz, known as the master healer, is ideal here. It can purify and amplify the positive vibes of the entire space, creating a balanced and harmonious energy that everyone can enjoy. Position it right in the center of the room, like on a coffee table, for the best effect. The bedroom should feel peaceful and inviting, which is why Rose Quartz is the go-to choice here. Known as the stone of love, Rose Quartz promotes harmony and emotional healing. Placing it on your bedside table can help create a soothing, warm atmosphere that supports restful sleep and positive relationships. The bathroom is a space for cleansing and renewal, so Aquamarine, a stone of clarity and purification, fits perfectly here. It helps to clear any stagnant energy, leaving this often overlooked area feeling fresh and revitalized. If you're looking to attract wealth, citrine is your best friend. Known as the merchant's stone, it's perfect for increasing prosperity. Place citrine in the wealth corner of your home, which is typically the far left corner of the living room, by a window if possible. This spot is a Feng Shui wealth position, and citrine here can help attract abundance and financial success. For health and vitality, place green tourmaline near the dining area, which is tied to family health in Feng Shui. Green crystals symbolize life and rejuvenation, and green tourmaline has the added benefit of clearing negative energy, creating a nurturing space for family gatherings. To enhance wisdom and mental clarity, amethyst is the crystal of choice. It's especially beneficial when placed on a desk or workspace in the study. Known for its calming properties, amethyst can help boost focus and clear thinking, making it ideal for study or work. For those who like to charge their phone by the bed, Black Obsidian is a great option to help absorb EMF radiation. Simply place it on your nightstand next to the phone. This stone can help create a safer, more grounded environment in the bedroom, especially while you're sleeping. Remember, crystals absorb the energy around them, so it's essential to cleanse them regularly. You can recharge them in sunlight or moonlight for a few hours, or use incense like sandalwood to clear any negative energy. Avoid leaving crystals in direct sunlight for too long, as this can deplete their energy. I hope this Feng Shui crystal guide inspires you to bring more positive energy into your home. Crystals can be a powerful tool to enhance your space when placed thoughtfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on creating a balanced, positive living space. See you in the next video.